In this video, I'll show you how to see your followers on Snapchat. First up, open up your Snapchat and go ahead over to your profile right here at the top left. Tap on it. Now in here, you would want to scroll down, or if you can see it directly, which is public profile, just tap on it. All right, as you can see here, you'll be able to find your follower count right here. Now, if you would want to know person to person, whoever follows you, well, I have these indications right here. All right, just go ahead over to your chat section right here. Now you'll be able to see the list of your friends. You know, your friends are automatically your followers. All right. When we tap on the plus sign right here with the person icon, tap on it. In here, you'll be able to see the person that has requested a friend request. All right. You'll be able to see a accept right here instead of add. Now, if you count them or check them one by one, you can go ahead and do that as someone who has tried to send you a friend request is automatically your follower. All right. That's how you basically check or see your followers on Snapchat. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.